Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 overheating issue and the probable causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Engine overheating in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as the temperature gauge rising above normal, overheating warnings appearing, steam from the engine bay, or reduced power modes activating to protect the engine. Verified owner reports and service information show that overheating concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine type, cooling system design, mileage, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause involves low coolant level or coolant loss. Leaks from hoses, the radiator, coolant reservoir, or related components can reduce cooling efficiency and lead to overheating, especially during towing or extended driving. Another confirmed cause is thermostat malfunction. A thermostat that sticks closed or operates inconsistently can restrict coolant flow, causing rapid temperature increases. This has been documented across several F-150 engine configurations. Cooling fan-related issues are also a verified factor. Electric fan motors, fan relays, or control circuits may fail to operate correctly, reducing airflow through the radiator at low speeds or while idling. Owners often report overheating primarily in stop-and-go traffic under these conditions. Water pump wear or failure has also been documented. Reduced coolant circulation due to internal pump wear or seal failure can cause overheating, sometimes without obvious external leaks depending on engine design. Radiator blockage or reduced heat transfer is another confirmed contributor. Internal deposits or external debris can limit airflow or coolant flow, reducing the radiator's ability to dissipate heat effectively. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include coolant sensor inaccuracies, engine oil-related heat buildup, or software-related temperature management behavior. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include checking coolant level and condition, pressure testing the cooling system, inspecting thermostat and cooling fan operation, evaluating water pump performance, and cleaning or replacing the radiator when needed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 overheating issues are resolved through cooling system maintenance or component replacement rather than internal engine repair. However, outcomes vary by model year, engine design, and how quickly the issue is addressed. In conclusion, Ford F-150 overheating is typically linked to coolant-related issues, thermostat or fan failures, or reduced coolant circulation. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.